harvest. Let's go. Set to go and leave me. I'm begging you to stay, baby, don't leave me. I climbed the highest mountain just to find you, baby, baby, please don't leave me.
Welcome to the show. Welcome to Eat Cool with Ace Crichton. Now, as today, we're going to start with the Samoan Pagikeke, and that is our menu for today. So in this bowl right here, I already have my 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Also, I already have my my sugar, and also I already have my baking powder. Okay, and my liquid over here, I have 2 bananas, 1 cup of milk, and 1 water. So actually our pancake today will be a banana flavor. Okay, so as I say, you know, you pour a little bit of water and then you kind of like turn your bowl the opposite and you mix to the left with your right hand. Then your left hand turn your bowl to the right. Okay? And very, very important for the mix. So mixing like that is not a good idea. And that is how your pancake came out all bubbles up on the outside. So to make a beautiful pancake, you do it exactly how we demonstrate right here. Okay? Keep turning your bowl to the right, and you keep turning your flour to the left. Yeah, so you slowly pour your banana egg and water liquid at the same time. You constantly turning your bowl while you turning your flour to the left. So this pancake is already been perfected by calling sugar. Make sure the sweetness is right. Make sure the banana flavor is right. Make sure the taste is right. And make sure it's beautiful like me. Okay? Or I say handsome like me. As you see your flour right there, that's exactly how it come out. That way you know you're doing it right. Not too soft, not too hard. Okay. And now my oil is hot. Okay. Before you start, you wet your scoop. Put your hand in and do the same thing. Easiest way to make your puka, pancake, squish it like that, right between your hand. Every time you're done with that, keep on waiting while you scoop and dump. Constantly turn what you have inside the pot, so that way it will cook evenly. Very simple and elegant, you know, and beautiful. So go right together with a cocoa, especially Samoan cocoa because it's Samoan pancakes. Supposed to be a little bit lighter on the regular pancake, but just because this pancake is banana, it's a little bit darker just because, you know, when the banana is set too long, you know, you're gonna see it turn purple. And for that, sitting in the fryer, it's gonna make the pancake on the banana side a little bit darker. Okay. Here you go. I'm gonna open one for you. Oh, see how nice is this? Beautiful. And a yellow banana pancake. Let me taste it. It tastes so good. Just like an island girl.
Harvest, let's go. Set to go and leave me. I'm begging you to stay, baby, don't leave me.
Gee.
Just to find you, baby, baby, please don't leave me. I travel down.
Yellow as a banana. Yellow as a ripe banana.
And baby, you never came back. Yeah. I wish that I
I am telling you, it's so good.
could be your man. Cause you're my only love.
Kaya ilak ko muna mga ba?
Everything that I want. That I want. Cause I'm a man, I'm a boy, I'm a little boy.